Hello, everyone. Today, I will introduce the main parameter setting items related to HGM4010CAN controller. In the application, if it is necessary to set the parameters of the generator set, you can press the Set Confirm key. Select Item 1 to enter parameter settings. Enter the passcode 0318. Press the Set Confirm button again to enter the parameter settings screen. Item 01 is the startup time. It can be done by operating Set Confirm key, build up a scroll down key, Set Confirm key. Change the power on time to 10 seconds. Item 02 is shutdown delay. Item 03 is the number of starts. Item 04 is the warm-up time. Item 05 is the starting time. Item 06 is the starting interval time. Item 07 is the safe running time. Item 08 is the idle time during startup. Item 09 is the high-speed warm-up time. Item 10 is the cooling time. 11 items refer to idle time during shutdown. 12 items refer to power on and shutdown time. 13 items are waiting for stable stopping time. 14 items are closing time of the switch. 15 items are the number of T's settings for the engine. If it is an electronic injection engine, the number of T's can be left unset. If it is a non-electronic injection engine, then you need to set the corresponding number of T's for the engine. If you do not set the number of T's, there will be a problem that the speed and frequency do not correspond. There may be under frequency, under speed over frequency, under frequency alarm. The latter several items can be defaulted if there is no special requirement. 31 items are generation current transformer settings. Set the corresponding current transformer ratio according to the current transformer of the generator set. For example, you need to set the current transformer ratio to 100:5. We need to press the Set Confirm key, flip up key. Select the 100:5 current ratio and press the Set Confirm key. The following content is set according to the field application. The following is about relay output part settings. The setting of the output part is more important in applications. The function is to transmit commands issued by the controller to external electrical equipment. For example, the setting of programmable relay output port 1 is preheating control. The content set for programmable relay output port 2 is power on shutdown control. The setting of programmable relay output port 3 is idle speed control. The content set for programmable relay output port 4 is switch closing output. The content set for programmable relay output port 5 is fuel relay output. The corresponding switching input port is set. Item 42 is the switching quantity input port 1. The setting is emergency shutdown input. Item 43 is the type of action, effective disconnection. If the input port action type is closed and valid, you can select 00 items through the settings, confirmation keys. The action type becomes closed and effective. Item 44 is the action delay time of switch input port 1. Delay the action after 2 seconds. Item 45 is the switching input port 2. The content set is remote power input. The action type is closed and effective. Delay action after 2 seconds. Item 48 is the switching input port 3. The content set is external warning input. The action type is closed and effective. Delay action after 2 seconds. Item 1 is the switching input port 4. The content set is unused. That is, the switch input is not used. Item 54 is the switching input port 5. The content set is lower pressure stop input. refers to when the oil pressure is low through the switch signal alarm. The action type is closed and effective. Delay action after 2 seconds. Item 60 is the selection of successful starting conditions for the engine. Item 00 is RPM. Item 01 is frequency. Item 02 is RPM at frequency. Item 03 is speed at oil pressure. Item 04 is frequency at oil pressure. Item 05 is speed at frequency at oil pressure. The successful starting condition refers to the time when the engine starts, if one of the thresholds of the preceding conditions is met. The starter will detach itself from the engine. The successful starting condition refers to the time when the engine starts. The thresholds for these successful startup conditions can be set later on. For example, the starting success condition is speed. When the engine starts, the speed reaches 360 RPM. The starter will automatically disengage and enter the startup pedal phase. This is the frequency when starting successfully. When reaching 10 HP, the starter disengages and enters the startup pedal phase. This is the oil pressure when starting successfully. When reaching 200 kPa, the starter disengages and enters the startup pedal stage. The following settings include parameters such as water temperature and oil pressure sensors. We need to choose based on the actual situation on site. The following parameters need to be set as engine type. If the engine type is an electronic injection generator set, we need to set the corresponding engine type. If it is a non-electronic injection generator set, then choose 00 items ordinary unit. For example, Volvo's electronic fuel injection generator set. So we choose the corresponding engine type. Item 14 Volvo. After setting up, press the Set Confirm button to proceed. Is followed by some simple parameters. They need to be set according to the actual situation in the field. These are the main parameter settings of that engine. Press the Stop button to exit when you are done. Back to the main interface after the parameter setting is successful. After the setting is complete, power off and reset will be performed. After disconnecting the power, long pressing the shutdown button can accelerate the power outage reset time. We can power it on again and then it can be used normally.